Here are Stuff's 3 reasons to buy the OneNav Classic. You know those smart streaming sticks that breathe new life into old TVs? Well, the same concept can be applied to your car. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wirelessly, I might add. Stream Spotify, YouTube Music, Apple Music, TomTom, Waze, Google Maps, Apple Maps, you get the idea. 6.8-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, and with some USB ports, C and A for fast charging if you need it, or your passenger. The second reason is easy installation. So easy, in fact, you don't have to do anything. We took our car to Planet World, but you could have them come to your home or office. And the best part is it's free. It's free! And the third reason is room for expansion. There are multiple inputs and outputs on the back of the OneNav Classic to support adding further units later, if you want to upgrade your speakers perhaps, or if you want front or reverse cameras, or want to replace your rear view mirror with a digitized version. Those are our favorite reasons to buy the OneNav Classic. If you want to find out more info, check out the review in the magazine on shelf now. Like the video, subscribe, and click the bell if you want to. And check out OneNav's website, onenav.coza, for more information on how you can get your very own OneNav Classic.